In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Spotify email. Changing your Spotify email enhances security by reducing the risk of unauthorized access to your account, especially if your previous email was compromised or if you've shared it with others. It streamlines communication between you and Spotify's support team, should you encounter any issues or need assistance with your account, ensuring a smoother resolution process. To do this, simply head into your Spotify. On your profile page, tap right here to head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select this first option of account. You will then tap on this option where you see your current email address. Tap on the edit button to enter in your new email address. Tap on save and a confirmation code will be sent to you. When verified, your new email address will get added to your Spotify account. That's how easy it is to add new email address on your Spotify account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.